The aim of effective visual communication is to be noticed, be understood, and be remembered. This is not by fellow creators, but by our target audience. The aesthetic we employ in our work gets the audience's attention. It gets their notice or not. After all, aesthetics is quite a subjective thing. So how can we, as creatives, as illustrators and designers, win when the subjective cards are against us? After all, we cannot please all the people all the time, right? Well, that is why we describe our audience as targets. That narrows the field from everyone to just these people who are X. It is in understanding the common factor X in our researching of our target audience that we get keen insights to who they are, what they have commonly experienced, what they already know.